Hey guys, I just wanted to end the presentation by saying I hope you guys enjoyed the brief presentation. The smothered pork chops, it was quick, it was simple, easy to make. Only took me about 45 minutes, and the only thing I did was add some rice, and I think I had some broccoli on the side with it. A great comfort food, especially this time of year. You know, you get that thick gravy and that rice. Just try it. You can pause the video at any point to write down the instructions and whatnot. But in conclusion, I would just suggest that you guys try it. So until next time, happy eats, guys, and make sure that you share this video, like this video, and please subscribe to this video. You guys be easy and have a great one.